Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Hope you are all safe. Children, in the previous class I have taught you lesson number 1, common and proper noun. Yes, no children? I hope you all have understood the lesson and I have done the TB exercise. I hope you all have done the TB exercise. Yes children? Today I am going to start with the notes. So everyone has to take a new book, new 200 pages, 4-line book for English 2. As I told you in the previous class only, for English 1 there will be a separate book, for English 2 there will be a separate new book. So you have to take new book for English 2 class 1. So everyone take out new book English 2 class 1. Okay, 4-line 200 pages. Okay, and start writing your name. Okay, everyone start writing your name and write here English 2 class 1. Okay, parents, you can help the child. So write your name. Okay, mention here English 2 class 1. So for example, I have written my name here. So you need to write your name here and you have to mention English 2 class 1. Okay children? Okay, shall we start? Be ready with your class work. Children, you are ready with your class work and ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay, sharp your pencil. Okay children? Okay. Write today's date. What is today's date children? Today is 25. 25 dash 7 dash 20. Okay, you have to write inside the line and you need to touch the line and write. Okay. Okay. You have to write inside the line. Okay children, it should not come out of the line. Okay, what is the day children? Today is Saturday. So as I told you, the first letter should be capital S A T U R D A Y, Saturday. Okay, you have to write inside the line children. The day and the date should be inside this margin. Okay children, come to the first line. So this is lesson number 1. Okay children, in the first line write lesson number 1. Okay, then come to the next line. What is the name of the lesson children? What is the name of the lesson? Common and proper nouns. Okay, start writing in the next line. C should be capital letter. Okay, C O M O N, common. Okay, common, leave space, and A N D, and space. Okay, again proper. P should be capital letter. P R O P E R, proper nouns. Okay, leave space. N should be capital letter. N O U N S. Okay, common and proper nouns. Okay, now leave one line. Okay children, leave one line. Come to the next line. Come to the next line. Okay, keep dot next to the margin, inside the margin. Okay, keep the dot. Okay, and write first letter should be capital letter. As I told you, nouns or naming words, it is mainly divided into two parts. Okay, nouns or naming words, it is mainly divided into two parts. What are the two parts children? The two parts are common and proper nouns. So nouns are divided into two parts, that is common noun and proper nouns. Okay children, nouns, N should be capital letter. N, join the letter I and write O U N S, nouns, space, R A R E R space naming N A M I N G. Keep the dot for I. Space words W O R D S. Nouns are naming words. Okay. Keep full stop. Okay. Move to the next line. Okay. It is mainly divided into two parts. Okay. Again, after full stop, again you need to start with a capital letter. Again, I should be capital letter. I T. It space is. I S is mainly. M A I N L Y. Mainly, keep the dot for I. Space divided D I V I D E T. Divided. Okay. Space in two. INTO 2. There is no space, children, here. So move to the next line. Into two parts. Again, T W O. Two parts. P A R T S. Parts. Full stop. Okay. Nouns or naming words. It is mainly divided into two parts. Okay, children. Okay. Next, move to the next page. Come to the fresh page. Okay. Come to the fresh page. First, what is that? Two parts. The first one is what, children? As I told you, the first one is common noun. Right here, one. Right here, one. So what is that? What is the first one? Common noun. What is that? Common noun. Okay. C should be capital letter. C O M M O N. Common. Okay. Common space nouns. N O U N S. Common noun. What is the definition of common noun, children? So common noun. What is the definition of the common noun? Shall we write? Okay. Right here. Common. C O M M O N. Common. Okay. Common nouns. N O U N S. Common nouns are ARER space the THE. The common. COMMON. So common noun are the common names. Okay. Common noun are the common names. NAMES. Common names is nothing but general name. Okay. Of what? Of move to the next line. So there is no space. Space person. EPERSON. Person, comma, places. PLACES. Places, comma. You need to leave the space, children, after each word. You know now. Animals. ANIMALS. animals, or. Okay, O or, there is no space. So move to the next line. Or things. T H I N G S. Things. Of. O F. Of. Space. The. T H E. The. Same kind. SAME. Same kind. Space. KIND. Kind. Full stop. Common nouns. Okay, common nouns are the common names of persons, places, animals, or things of the same kind. Okay, shall we write the examples, children, for the common nouns? Okay, example, you need to write EG. It should be inside this margin. It should be inside this margin. Okay, what are the examples, children? Okay, father. F, small letter, FATHER. Father, comma, father, comma, market. MARKET. Market, comma, school. SCHOOL. School, comma, hen. Hen, comma, there is no space, children, so move to the next line. Okay, hen, comma, scooter. SCOOTER. Scooter, etc. So there are many names, common nouns. So these are the examples for the common nouns. Okay, children. So next is proper noun. Okay, leave one line. Okay, leave one line. Come to the second one. Okay, second one, proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns. P should be capital letter. PROPER. Proper nouns. Leave space. N should be capital letter. NOUNS. Okay, put one small hyphen. What is proper noun, children? Proper noun is a name given to a particular person, place, animal, or things. Okay, and it always begin with a capital letter. Okay, children, shall we write? Okay, leave space. Okay, proper noun. Again, P should be capital letter. PROPER. Proper noun. 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 Okay, NOUN, noun. There is no space. Shall we move to the next page, children? Yes. Proper noun is a. Proper noun is a. IS is. Okay. A name. NAME. Name, space, given. GIVEN. Given, space. TO. To. A. There is no space to write. So move to the next line. To a particular. PARTICULAR. To a particular person, Person, person. Place, 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 comma, animal, Animal, animal. Animal, okay. Or, or, okay. Things, space, Things, things. Things, full stop, okay. It, always, space, Always, always, space, begin, Begin, begin. There is no space, children. If you have space, you can write here. So move to the next line. With, 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 a, space, Capital, capital, letter, 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 full stop. Okay, children. Proper noun. Proper noun is a name given to a particular person, place, animal or thing. Okay, full stop. It always begin with a capital letter. Children, here things you write. So erase S here. Okay, so thing, okay, Thing, thing, okay. Particular person, place, animal or thing, full stop. It always begin with a capital letter. Okay, children, full stop. Shall we write the examples for proper noun? Yes. Move to the next line. Write EG. Example, it should be inside this margin. Okay, children. So what are the examples for proper noun? So as I told you, the first letter will start with a capital letter. So Rohit, 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 comma, Mr. Kumar, MRS, Mr. Kumar, 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 comma, Taj Mahal, TAJ, Taj Mahal. Again M should be capital letter. MAHAL, Taj Mahal, full stop. Okay, children. Okay, so what are the examples? Rohit, Mr. Kumar, Taj Mahal. Okay, children, it should not come out of the line, and always, as I told you, the first letter will be a capital letter. Okay, children, you all understood the definition of common and proper noun. Okay, now shall we move on to the next page, fresh page. Okay, come to the fresh page. Okay, children. Okay, come to the fresh page. Okay, first line. So write first main. Inside this margin, write first main. Okay, children. Okay, underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns in the following sentence. So in this main, you need to underline the proper nouns and you need to circle the common nouns. Okay children, shall we write? Okay. Underline, you should be capital letter U N D E R L I N E. Underline, space, T H E, the, space, P R O P E R, proper noun, space, N O U N S, nouns, proper nouns. Move to the next line. Circle, C R I C L E, circle, space, the, T H E, the, space, common, C O M M O N, common, space, nouns, N O U N S, nouns. If there is a space you can write here or else move to the next line. In, I N, in, okay. The, T H E, the, following, F O L L O W I N G, following, sentences, S E N T E N C E S, sentences. Okay, this is the main heading. Underline the proper nouns, circle the common nouns in the following sentences. Okay children, so shall we move to the first sentence? Okay, after this heading, writing heading, you need to leave one line. Okay, leave one line, move to the next line, write first one, it should be inside the margin. Okay children, the first sentence is January is the first month of the year. So I'll repeat, January is the first month of the year. So again, as I told you, always when you start writing the sentence, the first letter will be a capital letter. Okay children, January, J, okay, J A N U A R Y, January, January, space, is, I S, is, the, space, T H E, the, space, F I R S T, first, space, month, M O N T H, month. So there is no space children. Move to the next line. Month of, O F, of, space, the, T H E, the, year, Y E A R, year. After the sentence you need to keep full stop. Okay children, so January is the first month of the year. So which is proper noun in this children? Can you find out which is the proper noun? Yes, can you guess? So January is the proper noun. What you need to do? We need to underline the proper noun. So there is a red line, can you see here? You need to underline on top of this. Neatly you need to underline, okay? On top of the red line you need to underline. So January is a proper noun. So is the first month of the year, which is common noun. Can you guess children? So month and year. So month and year is a common noun. What we need to do for the common noun? We need to circle. So neatly inside the word you need to circle. Neatly. Okay, circle month. and you need to circle ear. So can you see? Neatly, it should not, you can draw, but it should not on top of the word, you should not circle, it should be outer. Okay children, it should be outer the word. Okay, so neatly you need to underline and neatly you need to circle. Okay children, yes. Shall we move to the next one? Leave one line. Leave one line. Okay, second one. Second one. Bangalore is also called the Garden City. I'll repeat. Bangalore is also called the Garden City. Shall we write? So again, as we write the sentence, the first letter should be capital letter. Bangalore. B-A-N-G-A-L-O-R-E. Okay, Bangalore space is I-S is also A-L-S-O also called C-A-L-L-E-D called. There is no space children. Move to the next page. Okay, so Bangalore is also called the, okay, T-H-E, the garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden city, C-I-T-Y, city. Okay, Bangalore is also called the garden city. In this sentence, which is proper noun children? Can you guess which is proper noun in this sentence? Okay, Bangalore. So as I told you, you need to draw the line on top of this red line. Okay, neatly draw the line. Okay children. So Bangalore is a proper noun. Can you guess which is common noun children? Which is common noun in this sentence? Bangalore is also called the garden city. Garden city is a common noun. So for common noun, what we need to do? We need to circle. Shall we circle? Circle neatly children. Okay, yes, you need to keep full stop. Don't forget to keep the full stop. Okay children. So in this sentence, Bangalore is a proper noun and garden city is a common noun. Shall we move to the next one? So leave one line. So third one. So write third one. So the sentence is, the Red Fort is in Delhi. The Red Fort is in Delhi. The T should be capital letter. T-H-E. The Red Fort. R-E-D. R should be capital letter. Fort. Leave space. F-O-R-T. Fort. Space is. I-S. Is. Okay. Space. I-N. In. Space. Delhi. D-E-L-H-I. Delhi. Again D should be capital letter. Okay. Here the Red Fort is in Delhi. Can you guess which is the common and proper noun in this children? Any idea? So here, what? Tell me children. Can you guess? So the Red Fort is also a proper noun. Even Delhi is also a proper noun. What we need to do this? We need to underline for this word. So try to underline on top of this line, on the red line, and here also underline. Keep full stop. Don't forget to keep the full stop children. The Red Fort is in Delhi. In this sentence, Red Fort and Delhi is a proper noun. Okay children? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? So leave one line. Okay. Fourth one. Okay children? Fourth one. Stars twinkle in the sky. Okay, I'll repeat. Stars twinkle in the sky. Okay, stars. S should be capital letter. S T A R S. Stars. Twinkle. Space. T W I N K L E. Twinkle. Space. I N in. Space. The. T H E. The sky. S K Y. Sky. Stars twinkle in the sky. So in this sentence, which is proper noun? Can you guess, children? There is any proper noun in this sentence? There is no proper noun in this sentence. Now we need to identify the common noun. Which is common noun here? So stars. So stars is a common noun. So what we need to do? We need to circle. And can you guess which is the other word in this sentence? Sky. Okay. You need to circle sky. Stars and sky is a common noun in this sentence. Okay, children? Yes? Shall we move to the next one? Leave one line. Fifth one. Okay? Mumbai is a famous city. Okay, Mumbai is a famous city. Okay, as I told you, the first letter should be capital. M U M B A I. Mumbai. Space. I S is. Space. A. Space. Famous. F A M O U S. Famous city. If there is a space, you can write here, children. If there is no space, you can come to next line. Okay? City. S I T Y. City. Keep full stop, children. Can you guess which is proper and common noun in this, children? Yes? Mumbai is a proper noun. For proper noun, what we need to do? We need to underline. Underline on top of this red line. Neatly you need to underline, children. See how I am doing? In the same way you need to do. So which is common noun in this sentence? So city. City is a common noun. So what you need to do for city? You need to circle. Okay, you need to circle neatly. You need to underline also and you need to circle. It should be neat. Okay. Mumbai is a famous city. In this sentence, Mumbai is a proper noun and city is a common noun. Okay, children? Everyone write neatly. It should be inside the line. Okay, children? Okay, we have completed this main. Okay, children? Okay, turn the page. Everyone turn the page. So go to the fresh page. We have completed this lesson, children. So in the fresh page, in the next fresh page, if you have space, you can write here. If there is no space, but you have to leave one line. Keep that in the mind. So move to the next page. Write here in the first line. Refer. R E F E R. Refer. TB. TB. TB means textbook. Okay. Space. For. F O R. For. Exercises. E X E R C I S E S. Okay, keep full stop. You need to refer TB for exercise. I have done in the previous class the exercise, no, children? Exercise A, B, C, D, E. Yes, no? A to E I have done, no? So you need to refer the exercise for textbook. So I am not going to write all the exercise part in the class work. Okay, for the exercise you need to refer TB for exercises. Okay, children. So today in this have taught you, okay, lesson number 1, common and proper noun, definition. Okay, write neatly. Okay, write neatly, children. Read and write. Okay, you need to read and write, children. Okay, okay, common noun and proper noun. Okay, then have done the exercise 1 first main. Okay, Write neatly, children. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the interactive session, but you have to complete the notes. You have to show me the book in interactive session. You can take your own time. You will be having 2 days time, no? But whenever you are writing, you have to read and write. Okay, children? Okay, revise the exercise part. Go through the exercise part in the textbook and find out, identify which is proper noun and which is common noun. Okay, children? Yes? And in the next page, write refer TB for exercises. Okay, children? Thank you. Happy weekend.